Hi everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, I'll be unboxing Valentino sunglasses model VA2010B. The glasses come with the Valentino box. Inside the box, you have your Valentino case, as well as Valentino manufacturer booklet, and a Valentino authenticity booklet. Inside the case, you have a dust bag, and inside the bag, you have your Valentino sunglasses. The color of the frame is gold. And these glasses are a round shape. On its temples, you'll find the Valentino logo in gold. Its inner right temple, you'll find again the Valentino logo and that it's made in Italy. On its inner left temple, find the model number, which is VA2010B, the color code, which is 300371, and the dimensions of the frame. 58 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. Thank you for watching, and have a joyful day.